guys, my name is Cesani Saikuningsi, and today I want to talk about a product I use every day. This is Purbasari Hand Body Lotion, Zaitun, and Vitamin A. The bottle is green, the design is simple and so easy to hold. Um, it's made of plastic, so it is sleek and practical. This is hand and body lotion. It helps to moisturize the skin and it contains of zaitun and vitamin A and the product made in Indonesia. So this is description product from me and thank you guys. Bye bye.